this video we're going to simplify algebraic fractions. And how to simplify algebraic fractions, I want to underline that only same factor could be reduced in the one fraction. For example, here if we have a and a, we can reduce and write b over c. Only the factors, okay, only factors. So that's why we have to factorize our fraction, numerator or denominator. It depends on the question. For this question, it is clear that we have 3 minus x, nothing to do with this, but we can factorize the denominator. Let's factorize it separately somewhere here. So it is, let me write it here, 3x squared minus 5x minus 12 to be factorized, yeah? So the question is what inside these two brackets. If we will factorize using the approach that I shown in my video in my channel, please watch out if you haven't, and 3x and x, and then we have to choose the factors of negative 12, it's negative 4 and 3. Let's try this approach. So it will be 3 times 3, 9x plus negative 4x, so it's 5x. 5x is not equal to negative 5x. That's why we have to use another approach. I mean, maybe we will change the sign. So let's put minus here. Okay, now let's try this way. So it will be negative 9x plus 4x. It is negative 5x. Okay, now it matches, you see. It means that our factors 3x plus 4 and x minus 3 and x minus 3. And now let's use this factors here. So we will use here, let's write it down, 3x plus 4 and x minus 3. Okay, now it's almost everything ready to simplify. Just one thing left. You see that this 3x and x minus 3 are almost the same. We can make numerator as negative 1 times x minus 3. Okay, so we will use the rule. Let me write a rule somewhere here. So a minus b is equal to minus b minus a, or we can write it minus 1. It's actually the same thing, minus a. Okay, so we can write in numerator negative 1 times x minus 3, and then just copy denominator, x minus 3. Okay, now you see that our factors are same, could be reduced, and the final answer is negative 1 over 3x plus 4. It's nothing to simplify further. It means that this answer is the final one. Okay, now let's turn to the next example. So here we have fraction with numerator to be expressed as the factors as well. So remember the rule, a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b plus times a plus b. Let's use this rule. So it means that for our case it's going to be x minus 5 and x plus 5. And the similar way we are factorizing our denominator. So x squared minus 17x plus 60. What two factors give us 60, maybe 6 and 10. If we'll add 6 and 10, we will not have 17, right? And negative 6 times negative 10 plus negative 10, it's also not negative 17. That's why we have to use another pairs, maybe 5 and 12, negative 5 and negative 12. If we will add this together, we will have negative 17, right? So that is why our factors are x minus 5 times x minus 12. Let's write it down. So x minus 5 here and x minus 12. Now let's reduce these fractions. So we will have x plus 5 and x minus 12. This is everything we can do with this. That's why this is a final answer. And that's it. So it is simplified as much as we could. At the moment, it's nothing to simplify. Question is done. So in this video, we have considered simplification algebraic fractions using the factorizing. It's different types of factorization used, using the formulas or quadratic trinomial factorization. And see you in the next video. Enjoy. Goodbye.